سلام تحتت سلام ارتجعنا لنمخ بزعبة عبيت وسنة دونالد ترامب بأسرع همشان كاب أكلنتي أب معلت مرق أذكره بريزنت هاي كلام محلا نزمت 4 عامات بريزنت أمريكا كونيو سرحوا لمس جمر ترامب نتفتت حياله فتصامت إزاوات تكبرات فرمو زرزر نايتي زفروا من نقرات كأربالكم نسايتنهم ፖሊሲታት ዘመደ ባይደን ንመዝብሳት ትራምፕ ፍሉይነት ዓይነት ፖሊሲታት ዝርዝር እኳ እንተዘገለጸ በምምሕዳር ባይደን ዝተተግበሩ 78 ፖሊሲታት ምፍራስ ፈጻሚ ትእዛዝ ፈሪሙ ካልኣይ ሬጉላቶሪ ፍሪዝ ንመንግስቲ ብምሉእ ክሳብ ዝቆፃፀር ተወሳኺ ሕግታት ከይትግበር ዝኽልክል ትእዛዝ ፈሪሙ ሳልሳይ ሃይሪንግ ፌደራል ወርከር ፌደራላዊ ምቁጣር ሰራሕተኛታት ምቁራፅ እዚ ትእዛዝ እዚ ንኹሉ ናይ ፌደራል ምቁጣር ስራሕ ብዘይካ ገለ ፍልያት ከም ወተሃደራዊ ስራሕ ይዓፅዎ ራብዓይ ናብ ቤት ፅሕፈት ምምላስ ኣርቲኦ ሰራሕተኛታት ፌደራል ናብ በኣካል ስራሕ ክምለሱ እዚ ትእዛዝ ፈሪሙ ነሲዑ ኣብ ገዞም ኮይኖም ክሰርሑ ዝፀንሑ ሰራሕተኛታት መንግስቲ ኣብ ቤት ፅሕፈት ኮይኖም ክሰርሑ ክግደዱ እዮም ሓምሻይ ምፍታሕ ዝቕባቢ ዋጋታት ንቕልውላ ዋጋ መነባብሮ ንምፍታሕ ናብ ትካላት ፌደራል ዝወሃብ መምርሒ ነገራት ከም ዝቕምሱ ምግባር ዋላ እኳ እዚ ብኸመይ ከም ዝዕወት ዝገልጽ ፍሉይ ሓበሬታ ብቅፅበት ተዝሃለወ ንዕኡ ምስራሕ እውን ፈሪሙ ሻድሻይ ካብ ስምምዕ ክሊማ ፓሪስ ምውፃእ ኣሜሪካ ካብ ስምምዕ ፓሪስ ንምውፃእ ዝተወዘ ፈጻሚ ስጉምቲ ልዕሊ $1 ትሪልዮን ንምቁጣብ ዝዓለመ ምዃኑ ገለ ፀብጻባት ይሕብሩ ሻውዓይ ድሕነት ዶብ ህንፀት መንደቕ ዶብ ዳግማይ ንምጅማር መሓዝ ምፍታሕን ንምቁራፅን ገበኛታት ካርቴላት ከም ኣሸበርቲ ንመሓዝን ኣብ ዶባት ኣሜሪካን ሜክሲኮን ሃገራዊ ህፁፅ ኣዋጅ ንእዋጅ ፈሪሙ ሻምናይ ጥሪ ይቕሬታ ትራምፕ ኣብ 6 ጥሪ 2021 ኣብ ካፒቶል ዝተፈፀመ ናዕቢ ዝተሳተፉ ውልቀ ሰባት ተኣሲሮም ፀንሑ ይቕረታ ኢሉ ክፈትሖም ምዃኑ ወሲኑ ነዚ ብምፅዋዕ ንይቕረታ ኢሉ ፈሪሙሎ ትሽዓተ መደባት ብዙሕነት ምዕሩይነትን ምትእታውን DEI ኣብ ውሽጢ ትካላት ፌደራል ዝርከቡ መደባት DEI ንምቁራፅ ዝውሃብ ትእዛዝ ሱርበት ተኸባን ብኽነትን ክብሉ ይገልጾም ዓስራይ ፖሊሲ ፀዓት ንፍርያት ፀዓት ኣሜሪካ ንምቕራሕ ዝውስዱ ስጉምትታት ቢሮክራሲ ንምንካይ ሃገራዊ ህፁፅ እዋን ፀዓት ምእዋጅ ዝያዳ ኳዕቲ ምፍቃድ ከምኡውን ንደናሊ ኣላስካ ዳግማይ ናብ እምባ መክኔሊ ምቕያርን ካልኦት ዝኣምሰሉ ስጉምትታት ወሲዱ 11 ፖሊሲ ጾታ መንግስቲ ኣሜሪካ ንኽልተ ስነ ህይወታዊ ጾታታት ጥራይ እየ ኣፍልጦ ከም ዝህብ ዝገልጽ ትእዛዝ ማለት ደቂ ተባዕትዮን ደቂ ተንስትዮን ንወግዓዊ ሰነዳት ከም ፓስፖርት ዝኣምሰሉ ዝምልከት እዩ መበል 12 ናጽነት ምዝራብ ንምምላስን መንግስታዊ ሳንሱር ንምክልኻልን ዝዓለመ ተበግሶ ከም ዝውን ወሲኑ ፈሪሙ ማለት እዩ መበል 13 ዲፕ ስቴት ፑች ትራምፕ ዲፕ ስቴት ኢሉ ዝገለጾ ኣብ ውሽጢ ፌደራላዊ ትካላት ንምጥራይ ዝዓለመ ተግባራት እዚ ተግባራት ኣካል ናይቲ ዝሓለፈ ምምሕዳር ፖሊሲታት ንድሕሪት ንምምላስን ካብ መጀመርታ ዕድመ ስልጣን ትራምፕ ንዝኣተወ ናይ ጎስጓስ መብፃዕታት ንምትግባር ዝወሰነ ፌርማታት እዩ የቐመለይ ነዚ ንውሳን ንምትግባር ዝዓለመ ሰፊሕ ስትራቴጂ እዩ ነይሩ ትራምፕ ዝወሰኖ እቶም ከብ ኣዝዮም ኣገደስቲ ነገራት ግን እቲ ናይ ፆታ ኣሜሪካ ክልተ ፆታ ጥራይ ኣፍልጦ ምሃብ ምባላን ከምኡውን ኣብ ጉዳይ ስደተኛታት ዘለዎ ኣረኣያ ኣዝዩ ተሓሳስብ ብምዃኑ በዚ ፈሪሞ ዘሎ ክግምገም ይከኣል የቐመለይ ታንክ ዩ ሶ ማች ላይክ ሳብስክራይብ ብምግባር አባላት ቤተሰብ ሰላም ቻናል ኤርትራ ኩኑ ሰሰናይ
Biden era executive actions, executive orders, presidential memoranda, and others. A regulatory freeze, as you announced in your speech, preventing bureaucrats from issuing any more regulations until we have full control of this, the government and this administration. Next item, sir, is a freeze on all federal hiring, excepting the military and a number of other excluded categories, again, until full control of the government is achieved.
Could you imagine Biden doing this? I don't think so.
Sir, the next item, as you announced in your speech, is a requirement that federal workers return to full-time in-person work immediately. Next, we have a directive to every department and agency in the federal government to address the cost of living crisis that has cost Americans so dearly. The next item here is the withdrawal from the Paris Climate Treaty. Next item is a directive to the federal government ordering the restoration of freedom of speech and preventing government censorship of free speech going forward. And lastly, sir, before we go back to the Oval Office to sign a large number of other items, is a directive to the federal government ending the weaponization of government against the political adversaries of the previous.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President-elect of the United States, the Honorable Donald John Trump.
Preserve, protect, and defend
preserve, protect, and defend
the Constitution of the United States.
the Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
The golden age of America begins right now. During every single day of the Trump administration, I will very simply put America first.
From sea to shining sea.
And then we went out to the helicopter, though, just prior to this, and said goodbye. And it's a custom, and the wind is blowing like crazy. And with the hat that she's wearing, she almost blew away. We almost lost off her. She was being elevated. That was a beautiful place to have an inauguration tonight.
The CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, who's there, as well as Bezos, the founder of Amazon, and Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, and Elon Musk from X, and not to mention all the federal contracts he has with because of SpaceX, all of them standing amidst members of the president's would-be cabinet, not yet confirmed. I can't help but think that if this had happened 4 years ago or 12 years ago, it would have been something of a scandal for these people who control information in the United States and the world.
These are some prime
I was going to say, in an environment in which every single seat is accounted for, it really is something that they are in the room for this. I mean, not a lot of people can get seats to this. You've got 535 members of Congress who are guaranteed seats. Everybody else has to earn one.